Amazon dropshipping tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do dropshipping on Amazon. Now, if you want to do dropshipping on Amazon, you are going to need some type of provider, okay, to help you do proper dropshipping. So there's a lot of dropshipping providers, but the best one, in my opinion, that would work well because normally dropshipping on your Amazon would get banned because dropshippers cannot do business on Amazon. Amazon does not approve of that type of business. So if you actually want to get sturdy and get a proper drop shipping business up and running on Amazon, what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and there's a platform called Deezers. So Deezers is where you can start drop shipping. Okay, it's normally connected with AliExpress as their provider, but what happens is the products that you get on Deezers are off of your Amazon products. Okay, you can actually add your Amazonian products into your Deezers. You're going to add their links, and everything should work pretty easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign in with this. And once you sign in with this account, you're going to connect it to your actual Amazon account. Make sure you have an Amazon account. Without that, this will not work. But once you do that, it should pretty much be done for you. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.